The Thinkscan Max OBD2 Scanner is a comprehensive diagnostic tool offering full system coverage for all vehicles, ensuring thorough maintenance and repair capabilities. With an impressive array of 28 maintenance functions, this scanner covers essential tasks like oil reset, injector coating, and ABS bleeding, making it a versatile tool for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. The advanced AutoVIN feature intelligently identifies the vehicle's VIN for seamless diagnostics, while the wireless connection via Bluetooth allows for convenient usage away from the vehicle. Supporting over 90 vehicle makes from American, Asian, and European manufacturers, it provides a robust diagnostic solution for a wide range of users. The Thinkscan Max is equipped with a user-friendly 5.99-inch touchscreen and operates on the Android 10.1 system, offering a modern and intuitive interface. Language is no barrier with this scanner, as it supports 15 languages, ensuring ease of use for users around the globe.